and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing this face, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for returning back. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. Today I'll be sharing a face toner for normal skin. Yeah, face toner for normal skin. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight to the video. So the ingredients I'll be needing for this toner is our rose water. Yes, you'll be needing rose water for these ingredients. You'll be needing rose water for this toner. You also need distilled water. Yes, you need distilled water for this toner also. Yeah, you need aloe vera liquid for this face toner. You need your vegetable glycerin also for this toner. So the next is your vitamin E. Yes, you need your vitamin E oil for this toner. And the next is your preservative. Yes, I'll be sharing the measurement on the screen. Like I said before, and I will keep saying, before you make your product, please sterilize your working tools, or your work tools rather. Yeah, sterilize them properly so that bacteria will not destroy your product. Add distilled water to your bowl. Add your rose water, your distilled water, your aloe vera, and mix vegetable glycerin to it. Also, if you want to add any active powder, I recommend niacinamide. Yes, you can add niacinamide to it. It is okay for your toner. Yes, if you want to add powder, if you need any active, you can add it to it. So the benefits of this toner are as follows. Yes, every toner has its own benefit. So this one in particular, now this one I am sharing, has its own benefit. So the first benefit of this toner is maintains healthy skin. Yes, refreshes the face. Yes, this toner refreshes the face, it maintains healthy skin, and it improves glow. You can see it is natural. That's why I said this face toner is for normal skin. Yes, you can use it on your skin. It is very safe for you to use on your skin. Let me share on how to use it. You can apply on your cotton wool to clean your face, or you spray on your face. Is either you spray on your face, or you apply your cotton with your cotton wool or cotton pad, yeah, on your face. That is how to use this toner. And you can use morning and night. Yes, this one no be say you go use night only. No, you can use this in the morning and at night. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Make una dey ginger me to post more. Ginger me to post more. Okay, if you like this video, please do well to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and watch till the end. I noticed you all don't watch to the end. You don't watch to the end. Please watch till the end of my video. Thank you guys for staying with me. Bye bye.